This year, we truly see the mana digital money turning into a truly top gainer a large number of weeks. There is nothing unexpected, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. All things considered, Decentraland is one of the stars of the play to acquire pattern, which became famous in 2021 on the digital currency market, which in a real sense is very huge. How is the venture growing now? And what could we at any point anticipate from the cost of the in-game mana token in an unobtrusive way? How about we sort it out, as opposed to mainstream thinking? Decentraland is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain. The undertaking was laid out by the Decentraland establishment back in 2015. Thus, you can in every practical sense see that this game generally has been available for quite a while. The group held an ICO in 2017 and effectively raised around 90,000 ETH. Nonetheless, the computer-generated experience stage was open to the genuinely open simply in 2020. Decentraland clients can trade land things while partaking in the game and association, which really is very critical. It resembles a web-based game. In any case, it centers around friendly and monetary associations among clients and not on the actual interactivity. Clients in part go to addresses, open stores, and investigate the world and new articles in it. Doesn't it help you to remember anything? This is Minecraft of a decentralized world. All land in Decentraland certainly is separated into 90,000 packages called bundles. The exceptionally beginning size of one bundle for the most part was 10 by 10 meters of in-game space. In February 2019, the local area directed a vote. Just later, the size of each bundle in every way that really matters was expanded to 16 by 16 meters. Each bundle explicitly is an ERC-721 token, land, in spite of mainstream thinking. We should for the most part discuss the tokens. There are two sorts of in-game cryptographic money, mana and land. Mana is an ERC-20 symbolic that truly assists with purchasing virtual labor and products inside the metaverse. Land generally is an ERC-721 token used to mean the option to buy and large claim a particular real estate parcel in the game. At the end of the day, it's a proof of possession. Other than packages, there are streets and squares in the realm of Decentraland. Clients can't get it on the grounds that no one but engineers can make objects on them in a kind of huge manner. Streets basically are required for clients to explore the virtual world. The squares are points of fascination for clients, exceptionally recreational areas and data zones. The genuinely closer the land is to the streets and squares, the more costly it is, which is very huge. The region around Focal Court basically is the most costly, very much like the Focal Park property in New York, or so they for the most part thought. The universe of Decentraland especially has topical zones called locale. For instance, there are shops on Style Road and auditoriums in Decentraland College. Every region is claimed and generally oversaw by a nearby local area. Sadly, the land in such regions is as of now not accessible for procurement, which is very huge. How about we envision that you have land? How might you discard your buy? Exchange in an unobtrusive manner. As the game fills in notoriety, the cost of land rises. Thus, you become a restrictive property manager who can profit from it in a significant manner. Rent out the land, which is genuinely huge. You will actually want to get automated revenue from the obtained land. Spot an ad. You can construct any articles on their property, and even spot ads. Thus, you can balance up a flag of your organization or open a display area. Open a NFT store. Exceptionally stylish, correct. Decentraland is NFT agreeable with the ERC 721 norm. For instance, computerized craftsmen can open an exhibition with NFT works of art. Decentraland Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Decentraland costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Decentraland will be 43 cents. The greatest level that the mana cost can reach is 47 cents. In every practical sense, normal exchanging cost is normal around 45 cents. Mana value gauge for November 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Decentraland toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical mana pace of 44 cents in November 2022 amazingly. It's kind of least and all things considered. Greatest costs can be anticipated at 40 cents and at 45 cents, individually, as opposed to mainstream thinking. December 2022, Decentraland Value Estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are genuinely prepared to report their gauge for the mana cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 43 cents, while the greatest could generally reach 47 cents during this month in an unpretentious manner. By and large, it most certainly is normal that the worth of Decentraland could be around 45 cents. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Decentraland in earlier years, it for the most part is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Decentraland will be around 62 cents amazingly. The kind of greatest expected mana cost might be around 75 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 63 cents in 2023. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024, which for the most part is very critical, in view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Decentraland. In 2024, MANA in a real sense is supposed to have the accompanying least and exceptionally most extreme costs, about 87 cents and $1.08, separately explicitly. The typical expected exchanging cost is 90 cents in a significant manner. Decentraland Value Forecast 2025 in an especially large manner. The specialists in the field of digital currency truly have broke down the costs of Decentraland and their vacillations during the earlier years in an extremely enormous manner. It most certainly is expected that in 2025, the base MANA cost could drop to $1.34, while its greatest can reach $1.55. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $1.39. Decentraland Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Decentraland by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and certainly least MANA costs are normal in 2026, $2.35 and $1.89. Overall, it will really be exchanged at $1.96. Decentraland Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Decentraland in a significant manner. In light of their expectations, the assessed in every way that really matters, normal MANA cost will be around $2.87. It could drop to at least $2.79. However, it actually could reach $3.31 all through 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. Decentraland Value Expectation 2028 in a truly significant manner. Consistently, digital currency specialists for the most part plan gauges at the cost of Decentraland, which is very critical. It is assessed that MANA will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $4.11 and $4.91 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $4.25 during the year incredibly. Decentraland Value Expectation 2029. Digital money examiners basically are somewhat prepared to report their assessments of the Decentraland's cost in a significant manner in a real sense. The year 2029 not set in stone by the sort of most extreme MANA cost of $7.08. In any case, its rate could drop to around $5.95. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost certainly is $6.12. Decentraland Value Expectation 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Following quite a while of investigation of the Decentraland cost, crypto specialists are prepared to essentially give their MANA cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for no less than $8.50, with the conceivable greatest tops at $10.34 in an unpretentious manner. Overall, you can in a real sense anticipate that the MANA cost should be around $8.80 in 2030. Decentraland Value Forecast 2031. Cryptographic money examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the Decentraland's cost. The year 2031 will still up in the air by the most extreme MANA cost of $14.79.